Shenzhen-ZOLO Packaging Technology Company Limited is established in 2009. Over 11 years devotion in security packaging industry. Providing tamper evident, void vinyl, labels and tapes, open void security bags, destructible eggshell vinyl and labels, hologram stickers, water sensitive vinyl and labels, heat sensitive printing labels, etc. Our factory named ZOLO New Material Technology Dongguan Company Limited is located in the world-famous manufacturing city, Dongguan. With skilled operating engineers and advanced equipment, we can promise the production capacity and high quality of our products. We also employ experienced experts in our R&D team, so we are keeping endeavoring to research new anti-counterfeiting technologies and developing multiple-level security packaging solutions. There are dozens of anti-counterfeiting technologies at present, and generally 2 to 3 new technologies coming out each year. We've achieved SGS and ISO certificates and got several patents of our products. We are always trying to provide a full range and multi-level professional products and relative security solutions, and have built up business to overseas customers by providing the best products and excellent services of security packaging solutions. Exporting to over 50 countries and regions. We also attend 2 to 3 international exhibitions every year. Customers' demand is our development motivation. Customer satisfaction is the goal we pursue. Give your problems to us. We will work out customized solutions for your packaging security project. Looking forward to working with you. And let's face the challenges and opportunities together.